guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you how to use OIH. You just download it because I have a link below. Yep, you can download it. I have a link below. And here, first, if you been downloaded and it will pop out here, take a photo. Yep. Example, this photo. That photo marker can have you cut out this like this. Just wait. You just wait. Okay, just wait. You just click on the cutout. Yes, you click it and you select that. Yep. Example, I want to cut his head out. And yes, now it's done. And you go on technique and just wait. You just click on this next and click on this. Yes, here we go. And if you don't want this to have this and you want to cut it out again, you just click and erase. Yep. And you just swipe on it. It will erase it. And then all done. Oopsie. And then all done. You just click on like. And now you just get your size. If you want it big, you just move it here and take it big and click the next. And if you want to take this to cut it out to put on any image, you just click. Wait a minute. You just click on this BGMX and then just click another photo and then minimize it. Example, I want to edit my face to this girl. Yep. Now my face is this girl right now. It's so fun to edit and cut face another friend to prank or something. Do a meme. Yep. You actually know a meme. Yep. And then you click again. Wait a minute, just wait, and you click right here, but I don't want, oh sorry, and you click right, and you see right here, you just click on this to save it. Oh, sorry, you click on this to save. Yep. And then it's done. And if you want to see another tutorial or something, or make any edit any picture or some new app, something like an edit photo, edit video or something, yep, you can actually tap on my video. Yep. And like my video, please like my video and subscribe me, please. I need to subscribe. And you make sure you gonna search my new channel. Nope, my channel, gameplay and vlog. That channel name is Raven Legion. You actually search it, you will see my face, and you click on that and subscribe, and done, all done. And please subscribe me, please. I need to subscribe. And this time I'm gonna say goodbye. See you next time, or see you in the next video. Bye.